Hello. Hi guys. This one's going to be targeted to geriatric patients for some clients that are a little more interested in being proactive, more so if you've had to deal with cancer. Unfortunately, those are the clients that I'm going to be talking to, or certain breeds that are a little more predisposed. All breeds get cancer, dogs and cats, but on the dog side, there are kind of three that are a little more predisposed than most, and those would be our boxers, our Rottweilers, and our golden retrievers. So they get different cancers depending which one we're referencing in different places. All the breeds get them, just again. But something I wanted to tell you for those proactive owners, or when it's in your budget when they turn into a geriatric, we consider them a geriatric when they hit about 7-8 years of age. So we start recommending the once a year things. Just like people, certain ages, they have certain exams, certain tests, pap smears, colonoscopies, pick a thing, there's a thing, our version, doggy version. But those are kind of the three main breeds that I'll usually start kind of adding to my geriatric monitoring and preventative care. But there is a cancer screening test that came out not too long ago. So it's a little blood test, a little less invasive than doing a full abdominal ultrasound or CT, things like that. I do still like to get x-rays in those breeds, but cancer screening is a nice pairing, or it's at least one other option, another tool in our toolbox. But it's a little blood test. It's called a cancer screening test. It does not pick up all cancers, but it does pick up a good 20, 30 or so, and a lot of those are the more common cancers that we see in those breeds and in most of our others. So it's a great screening test to see, hey, do we need to do a full abdominal ultrasound, or, do a further diagnostic workup for your fur baby. So just wanted to share that with you guys, but hopefully if you run them, they come back normal. If not, the best we can do is try and catch them as early as we can, and we'll walk you through it as best we can. So thank you guys. Hope that helps, and see you next time.